Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the PSD so Illustrator can handle it cleanly. First, make a copy of the original PSD and close Photoshop to avoid locked files. Then open Illustrator and use File Open to select the PSD. Choose the option to convert layers to objects so you keep editable groups. Once done, inspect the Layers panel. You will see layer groups and smart objects. Make sure linked assets are available, because missing files break the first import step. Now you work through the middle steps to convert and clean the PSD content. After importing, expand groups and identify which layers need vector tracing or live text replacement. If a layer is a smart object you plan to edit in Photoshop, right-click and choose Edit Original. Otherwise, rasterize only those you will not modify. Use Image Trace for bitmap logos and then expand to make vectors. Also replace any rasterized fonts with Illustrator text for crisp scaling. Finish by organizing and exporting so the file is production ready. Group related converted objects, clean up stray clipping masks, and adjust stroke alignment so visuals match the PSD. Save a master AI file to preserve editability, then export required formats like SVG or PDF. If something goes wrong, for example, a layer is missing or pixelated, relink missing files via the Links panel, or reopen and resave the PSD in Photoshop, ensuring layers aren't hidden or corrupted. That single troubleshooting step resolves most import errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.